Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Salwa. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. Guys, there is a pastor from Zimbabwe, and he is very young and very good looking, with a following of over 7 million on Instagram. And he actually goes by the name of a Prophet Passion. Well, this guy trends for having the richest congregations from Dubai, visiting his church and basically all over the world. You guys, I'm not sure, but according to his profile, he is based in the United States of America. Now, a video of him baptizing his congregations in the most glamorous jacuzzi had a lot of social media users talking about him after seeing that video of him trending on all social media platforms. You guys, now this guy, he looks so rich basically. So up next, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert the video, but before I do that, do make sure that you like, you subscribe, and of course you do share this video so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one. I will definitely see you on the next one. The Holy Spirit